Assalamu alaikum. This is Zohair Hassan and you're watching GMW Web News. Breaking news: FBR arrests another man in major tax evasion case. The Federal Board of Revenue's, FBR, Intelligence and Investigation Inland Revenue, IR, has arrested one of the major culprits, Mohammed Yusuf, responsible for running a racket that issued fake and flying invoices causing a huge loss of revenue to the National Exchequer. Speaking to Profit, an FBR official said that the directorate had unearthed the big sales tax evasion scam involving tax frauds worth millions of rupees, after which it had initiated a crackdown on the criminals involved. He said the directorate's Fasalabad branch had arrested the proprietor of Excise Tax International, Mohammed Yusuf, following which a first information report, FIR, was lodged against STRN International, its buyers, suppliers and other beneficiaries under Section 37A of the Sales Tax Act 1990. The person arrested had issued fake invoices worth Rs 104.446 million to STRN International and thus defrauded payment of due taxes thereon. Investigation Officer, IO/Deputy Director Imran Zafar, who arrested the accused, has obtained physical remand of the accused from the Lahore Customs, Taxation Anti-Smuggling Special Judge, whereas the accused is currently under further investigation, he added. It is pertinent to mention here that two other members of the fraudsters network, namely, Arshad Mehdi and Mohammed Danish Javed, were also arrested a few days earlier. Arshad Mehdi is the declared proprietor of a dummy unit, STRN International, in whose name 5 bank accounts were opened in Fasalabad and Lahore, through which transactions of R$288 million had been effected. He is currently on judicial remand. Similarly, Mohammed Danish Javed has been found to have deposited money in the bank accounts of the same dummy unit, whereas and for tax evasion amounting to Rs 134. 4 meters has been lodged against him as well. The said person is also under judicial remand. An investigation into the activities of the arrested persons had subsequently led the authorities to identify the real culprits behind a network involving 65 units and a total invoice value amounting to Rs 1.3 billion. The arrest of Mohammed Yusuf, proprietor Excise Tax International, is in continuation of the Revenue Intelligence's tirade against tax fraudsters and networks of dubiously registered firms involved in fake and flying invoices. So far, the Fasalabad Directorate has arrested 6 persons and recovered a defrauded amount of Rs 6 million. Another 13 registered persons nominated in the FIR have voluntarily deposited their tax liability totaling Rs 2.2 million. Further investigations into the scam are underway, whereas further arrests and recoveries are expected.